Alright, this is Mike with Car Checks. I am here doing a pre-purchase inspection on a 2011 Ford E350 van. Alright, looks like a metallic silver grayish finish. The headlights here are a little cloudy, could use some buffing. Got some small chips in the chrome on the grill. Have some paint repair done here and some that cracked off. Looks like some touch-up paint on that as well. A little ding in the chrome. All right, 22 tire. It's got a lot of tread. Looks good and usable. All right, seeing some scratches on the paint. Here and there. All right, this tire is a Firestone, made in 22. Lots of tread. Got some touch-up paint on the back here. A ding in the bumper. Notice some cracking on the tail light. This tire's a Iron Man, made in 22. Got a lot of usable tread. Still looks good. Noticing a ding here. A little line in it. Got a Firestone tire, made in 23. It's practically brand new. A lot of life left. All right, we currently have 287,191 miles with a check engine light. There's your oil sticker. Here's your OBD scan. It has some trouble codes. A copy of this will be sent to the customer. We have a misfire on startup. We have an EVAP pressure sensor switch circuit performance. And it says the vehicle has not passed the readiness test yet. And we have some seat buckle codes. And the other systems are okay. Alright, so this tool we do a readiness test separate to see if he was to live in a mission county and you was going to get your emissions done. This would have to have all the readiness completed and no check engine light. So it looks like it is on the last one. The EVAP hasn't passed yet, so Either the codes have been cleared recently, or maybe the battery died, or perhaps the battery may have been changed. There's a lot of different reasons that could be, but it currently has an incomplete evap. Alright, I heard what kind of sounded like a knocking sound, possibly coming from over here. Alright, I'm going to sit this right here and I'm going to go accelerate. Hopefully the phone stays. So about 2,000 RPMs, I'm hearing a knock. All right, let's have a look under here. Perform a battery test. It is a 850 cold. Battery tested good. All right, steering reservoir looks full. Still has a little reddish color, looks like maybe a brownish color. Yeah, not sure. It kind of looks like it could use a refreshing. All right, here's your brake reservoir, looking good, nice and clean. All right, there's your coolant reservoir. Looks nice and green. All right, there's the air filter. It looks like it's been in there a little while. Could use a new one. All right. Belt still looks good and usable. All right, so we just cleaned the stick and we're gonna do a fresh pull. All right, so it does look full. And it is a little darker. Alright, transmission fluid looks full and still has like a pinkish color.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, check that out.
Alright, thanks for watching this portion of the inspection video. Next, we're going to go underneath. Hit the thumbs up. Thanks.